Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to teach you how to describe your clothes in English.
Understanding how to talk about clothes is so helpful. It makes shopping easier, helps you give compliments, and is great for everyday conversations.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to describe your clothes, including their style, material, color, fit, and more. Let's get started.
Let's begin with some basic vocabulary for clothes.
Yes. First, let's categorize them. Clothes can be divided into 1. Casual wear, t-shirts, jeans, hoodies, shorts. 2. Formal wear, suits, ties, dresses, blouses, skirts. 3. Sportswear, gym shorts, sneakers, leggings, tank tops. 4. Outerwear, jackets, coats, scarves, gloves. 5. Sleepwear, pajamas, nightgowns.
Great categories, Emma. Now let's list some common items. Tops, shirts, t-shirts, sweaters. Bottoms, pants, skirts, shorts, jeans. Footwear, shoes, sandals, boots. Accessories, belts, hats, sunglasses.
Let's talk about colors. When describing clothes, we often mention the color first.
For example, I'm wearing a blue t-shirt.
Here are some common color words. Primary colors: red, blue, yellow. Neutral colors: black, white, gray, beige, brown. Shades and tones: light blue, dark green, pastel pink.
You can also add patterns like stripes, a striped shirt. Polka dots, a polka dotted dress. Floral, a floral skirt. Plain, a plain white t-shirt.
Try describing the colors of what you're wearing now.
Next, let's learn how to describe the fit of clothes. This means how the clothes sit on your body.
Some common words to describe fit are loose or baggy, clothes that are not tight. Tight or fitted, clothes that fit closely to your body. Oversized, clothes that are intentionally big. Slim fit, clothes designed to be narrow.
Example: my jeans are slim fit. Her jacket is oversized and comfortable.
Fit is very important when you shop for clothes or describe how you feel in them.
Now let's describe the materials. What are your clothes made of?
Some common materials are cotton, comfortable and soft, like t-shirts. Wool, warm and cozy, like sweaters. Silk, smooth and shiny, often used for dresses. Denim, durable fabric for jeans. Leather, strong material used for jackets or shoes.
You can say, I'm wearing a cotton t-shirt. This jacket is made of leather.
Materials also affect how clothes feel. For example, wool is warm, but silk is cool. Style is all about how clothes look. Here are some styles. Casual, everyday wear like jeans and hoodies. Formal, smart and professional like suits. Trendy, fashionable and modern. Vintage, old-fashioned or classic styles.
Examples: I prefer a casual style for weekends. She wore a trendy dress to the party.
What's your favorite style? Comment below.
Let's expand your vocabulary with some useful adjectives.
Here are some examples. Comfortable. This sweater is very comfortable. Stylish. Her dress is so stylish. Elegant. He looks elegant in that suit. Trendy. These sneakers are trendy right now. Durable. These boots are very durable.
Adding adjectives makes your descriptions more interesting.
Finally, let's practice asking and giving opinions about clothes.
You can ask, what do you think of my jacket? Do you like this dress?
And respond with, asterisk, I love it. It's very stylish, asterisk. It's okay, but it's not my style.
Practice with a friend. It's a great way to improve your English.
Alex, how would you describe this scarf?
I'd say it's a red wool scarf. It looks warm and soft.
Great. What do you think about my outfit today?
You look amazing in that blue floral dress. It's very elegant.
That's all for today. We hope you learned a lot about describing your clothes in English.
Practice using these words and phrases every day.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics. See you next time.